In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your third Gmail account. Now, whether you're setting up a new email for work, organizing your hobby-related correspondence, or simply looking to separate different facets of your online presence, having multiple Gmail accounts can be incredibly beneficial. And the good news is creating an additional Gmail account is a straightforward process. Today, we're going to walk through each step involved in setting up a brand new account in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to your current Gmail account, logging in if necessary. This places you in your Gmail inbox where you can manage your existing emails. Once there, draw your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a circular profile icon that represents your account. This icon contains either your profile picture or your initial if you don't have a photo set. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing all the Google accounts currently linked to your browser. If you've used multiple accounts on your device before, you'll see those listed here. Now look for an option labeled Show More Accounts. Give that a click to pull up additional settings related to your logins. As you expand this menu, you should see an option to add another account. This is our ticket to starting a new Gmail account. Click on Add Another Account. And remember, this step helps Google understand that you intend to introduce a new account to your current setup. Next, you're going to be presented with two options: to sign in with an existing account or to set up a new one. Since we're creating a new Gmail account, click on Use Another Account, which will lead you to the point where you can create an account from scratch. On the following page, you're going to see a familiar request asking you either to sign in or choose to create a new account. For this tutorial, we'll click on the Create Account link. A small pop-up will appear, offering you choices for what kind of account you'd like to create. Select the option for my personal use. This typically applies when you are creating an account for your non-business related activities. Now that you've indicated the type of account, you'll begin the actual setup. The first page you'll see asks for your name. Enter your full name as you would like people to see it when you send emails. This is how your emails will be identified to recipients, so choose the representation of your name that suits your intent for the account. Once you've filled in your name, move forward by clicking Next. The next screen asks for your birthday and gender. This information is part of Google's way of personalizing your experience, but it also serves important security purposes. Enter your birthday accurately. This could be important later for account recovery, so double check to ensure all information is correct. Then click Next to advance. You will now meet the page where you choose your username. Here you have the option to use one of the suggestions provided by Google or create a unique email name. This moment is exciting as you're essentially crafting the identity that people will interact with when exchanging emails with you. Once you've settled on a username that's available, click on Next. The subsequent step is about setting your password. Pick a strong, unique password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to heighten security. Type it once in the Create Password field and then confirm it in the field below. It's essential to choose something that's both strong and easy for you to remember. After ensuring both entries match, proceed by clicking Next. At this stage, you'll be asked to provide your phone number. Google uses this for two-factor authentication, making sure that your account remains secure and accessible. Enter your phone number, keeping the country code in mind. This step is crucial as it could help recover your account in case you forget your password or need to verify your identity. Once you've entered your number, click Next once more. And there you have it. You've just taken the practical steps required to create a new Gmail account. Google will likely follow up with some final verification steps, generally a code sent to the mobile number you provided, to fully set up your account. You now have the foundational skills to open and manage a new Gmail account, adding efficiency and organization to your web life by separating emails. This new email can function alongside your existing ones and integrate seamlessly into whatever you need it for. So that wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now equipped to create your third Gmail account with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more handy tutorials. Happy emailing!